All right, guys, one of the biggest things that I can tell you that is necessary when you're looking at a property like this, because obviously you just see it in studs and there's walls everywhere and it doesn't have like a good flow to it, is to have vision. What I mean by vision is that you're gonna have to come out with a completely new floor plan for the bathrooms, for the kitchen, for the laundry room, for the bedrooms, everything. So I always recommend taking a look at what the neighborhood looks like, see some other comparables that are either on the market, maybe there's even the same floor plan that you have here, just to get an idea. See exactly what they did, how their floor plan looks, because you want to make sure that there's a good flow here. Everybody wants an open floor plan these days, right? You want to be in tune to what the buyer's experience is going to be as soon as they walk in the door, because that's going to just help with the psychology and them making a decision, hey, we want to make an offer on this property. If you're having a hard time with that, bring in an architect or maybe even a designer. Maybe they can help you and let you know exactly what you can and cannot do that's going to work out for the overall vision that you have for this place, and what's going to help it sell better, you know, once you have it on the market, maybe in 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So, like I said, have vision, do your research, take a look at some of the other comps that are for sale right now, and then create your masterpiece. Thank you, guys.